Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. And guys, today I want to talk to you about multiple streams of income. Now I know I've made a video about this before, and I know you might be thinking to yourself, wait a minute, did she say multiple streams of income? I'm trying to get one of them set up. Well guys, the reason why I'm reiterating and I am actually re-stressing this again is because, as you all know, we don't have to go and dissect the news or anything like that, but we do know what we're actually facing. And in the middle of us facing this whole coronavirus, you definitely should have, but if you haven't, it's okay because you still have time to do so. You should have been preparing yourself with a secondary income anyway. You should have been trying to make sure that you and your family are going to be set up at least to take care of your monthly bills. Everything that comes in on a monthly basis, you should have that squared away. And if you don't worry. You still have time. See, a lot of you all are sitting back and you're rah-rah, roo-roo, rah-rah, roo-roo, depending upon what the government is going to say, what the government is going to do. What is the Senate going to say? What is Capitol Hill going to say? What is Trump going to say? His final words, of course, he says he's an approving of the stimulus package. But we all know, at the end of the day, his word is not final, or is it? Now, I'm not going to get into the whole thing of what I believe to be propaganda or what I believe to be a strategic move or political gains or anything like that. I'm not getting into that. What I am going to get into, how you should have been strategizing and making sure that you were doing some kind of political move yourself on how you can be politically correct through all of this mayhem. And how is that? Being able to choose a business platform that's going to allow you to create residual income. Now, over the years, I have been sharing several different residual income platforms for you all that have shown true transparency, that has shown true acceleration, and they're still in existence. These admin, the owners, are still showing integrity, value, morals, and above all, they're showing you products and services that are standing the test of time. It's just up to you to decide if you want to still stay perched up on the fence and be a looky-loo, or if you actually want to dive in. And guys, I'm not trying to preach to the choir. I'm just saying this. I, among many other people, we're prepared for things that are like what we're involved with right now. And I want you to be involved with it too, because I truly believe there's abundance. I've been telling you guys over 2 years now, consistently, that there is abundance in this season. Now, I don't care whether we got the pandemic going on with the coronavirus or COVID-19 or whatever it is that you want to abbreviate it for. There is still abundance in this season. There is no reason not to believe it, because I'm going to tell you, my sales have gone up. My other people, my comrades, my co-conspirators, my other people that are in the industry, many of us, our sales are going up simply because people are finally realizing that, wait a minute, even in the midst of all of this, I can still flourish, I can still be abundant, and I can still earn a significant income for me and my family. And this is the same thing for you. I'm no different than anybody else. Absolutely. I just choose to do things differently. Instead of sitting on the sidelines and whining, instead of sitting on the sidelines and chatting myself away in forums and talking about how the government is doing this and how the government is not doing that, I am not wasting my time doing that. I am using my skill set, and matter of fact, adding to my skill sets, improving, creating other skill sets for myself so that I can flourish through this mayhem, so I can flourish through what is to come. And you should be doing the same thing. There is no reason why you can't have the same abundance that the rest of us having. I do not want you to continue to be watching my YouTube channel, watching my videos, and saying, well, wait a minute, why can't I? First of all, get rid of some words out of your vocabulary. Anything that has to do with the opposite of success, the opposite of abundance, the opposite of being able to have wonderful harvests, get rid of it. Banish it from your life. Because in the midst of adversity, I'm telling you, that's when the phoenix rises out of ashes, out of dust. out of all that you think is not possible, that's when the phoenix rises and starts to soar. So guys, if you would love to check out the things that are actually flourishing for me, my team, those who decided to step into their purpose, definitely check in the description below this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you'll know every time that I upload a video that you will be first notified of what's to come. I'm sharing many resources with you all as I research, as I dissect, as I go through and make sure that they're going to be pertinent, valuable tools for you to use in growing your business as well. And also, please drop some comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to answer them. And also like and share my video. I would love that as well. Let's stay connected. Let's win this war on all of this mayhem that's going on out here. And I assure you, you will find success as well. Why? Because as I've been saying for years to come now, this is your season. Don't doubt it. Believe it. Open up. Receive it. Embrace it. It's your time. Thank you guys. Y'all have a good one and enjoy the day. Bye for now.